of all, guest posting. Now, whatever the technique you have followed till now, like article submissions or forum submissions, directories or blog commenting. So what you are trying to do here, so you are requesting others to give you the backlink, right? So you are getting into their websites and you are performing some activities to get a quality backlinks. So you are only doing that things, right? You are only trying to give the backlink to your website. Am I right?
Yes.
So whereas guest posting means it is a very genuine process, you can do it. So but it is not a short term process, it is a long term process you have to do. So though it is in a long term process also, you will get a quality backlinks. Do remember, it is a best technique. So what exactly the guest posting means? Now let's say, let me take one. Let me show you with a simple diagram. This is a, let me take Bhavani and Shanti today. Bhavani and Shanti. So now what Bhavani wants to get some backlinks to her. So what she will do, she tried doing some directory submissions and blog commenting, article submissions, forum posting. And now she was trying to do some guest posting also. Guest posting means reaching out a blogger, reaching out a very good blogging website which is relevant to you, and you need to check it's a DA and PA as well. DA, PA, relevancy. Okay, now let us assume that this is a Shanti website and it is a Bhavani's website. So Shanti is a very good blogger. She had a very good blogs in her website, and Bhavani thought that yes. So if Bhavani gets a backlink from Shanti website, okay, so here she is reaching out. Here she is now Bhavani is reaching out to Shanti to give us, like, means she is requesting a Shanti that, hey Shanti, could you please give me a backlink? So why Shanti will give a backlink to Bhavani? Why? Simply why anyone will give you the backlink? So that is what here Shanti is playing some role. So Shanti will ask Bhavani to give an article to submit in her website. Okay. So if I wants to give you the backlink, you have to write a content for my website. Okay. So if your content is very genuine and if it has some good structure, I will publish your content in my website, so that when people comes to my website and read a blog, so there I will give you the do follow link. Okay, so now I will give you the do follow link, so that my traffic, so half of my traffic is redirected to your website and you will be getting a backlinks. So here the process is, if you want to get a backlinks from other a great blogger or famous website, you need to submit a content to their website. You are submitting a content for free in order to get a backlink. So it is same like article submissions, but whereas article submissions, so we only trying to choose few article submission sites and we are directly publishing in their sites. So here we can't directly publish in their websites. We need to first request them and we need to show them the topic. So once they are accepting, once they're done with accepting our article and they reviewed our topic, they will be publishing our article in their website, and so that they can give us a do follow link to our website, so that we can get a good backlinks as well as a traffic. Getting my point now? The only
Uh,
things,
Chitra,
yes,
the content should be on the person to whom we are
relevance.
on the
Yes.
person whom we are giving the content about, right? Like,
Content, yes. Okay, now let us assume that this Bhavani website is all about beauty blogs only. Okay, now tell me, from which website she has to get a backlinks?
Beauty blogs only.
Beauty blogs. Now she found that yes, Shanti is a very good blogger and her website consists of all about a beauty blog.
Beauty
So
blog.
then
Yeah.
only Bhavani was trying to get a backlink from Shanti. So in order to give a backlink to Bhavani, so Bhavani has to publish. Bhavani has to give the content to Shanti.
Content to
So
Shanti. Yeah.
Shanti will publish in her website and she can give a backlink to Bhavani then.
Okay. So
Got it now?
whichever the content we'll give, Shanti will post.
Shanti will publish in her website.
Okay.
Yes,
Website.
simple.
Through there, we'll get the backlinks.
Backlink. So, do we know how to publish the content in our website? Yes, By choosing the post option, we can directly publish the content. And do we know how to give the links? Yes, we know
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to give the link as well. So
Yeah.
this is what guest posting simply. So now let me just
Okay.
find out few guest posting websites and show you what are the things we need to remember before requesting any guest blogger and how we can request them.
Okay.
Okay.
So, ma'am, in our page we have anything like that. So
In our
on
page in the sense,
DigiCourse,
DigiCourse,
Yeah.
so it's no, it doesn't depends on that kinds of blogs. We have to find out
Okay.
like this. So you have to search like this. Write for us plus digital marketing. So if I search, what happened? A person whoever accepting the articles, a website whoever accepting the content, directly they will be having some write for us page. Let us say that you are a very good blogger. Assume that have a very good blogs. Even you can create a one write for us page like this. Okay, so when someone searches for write for us, and now I'm searching for exact digital marketing. Why? Because I want to find out the websites which are accepting some digital marketing stuff. Okay, now Sumit is there. Sumit can search for write for us plus technology, and Rafi can search for write for us plus real estate. In such a way, you can search particular with the keyword. Okay, here I can see the first thing is ad. Don't go with this ad. Let me choose this. Write for us, content marketing. Can you see? Result first,
Yeah.
write for us. So now I can see directly the write for us page of this particular website. Let me click this result. Hmm. Can you see the write for us page directly? So not only with this website, every website, betacompression.com, write for us page. semupdate.com, write for us. So can you see only the particular write for us page you will beat to. Okay, let me start reading this. Write for us. We are glad that you are interested. Result First has started accepting guest articles, and we invite digital marketing experts to share their stories, opinions, and voice with our audience. What they are saying, that they are ready to accept the content now, right? So they are ready to accept the guest article. So first of all, you need to find out whether they are accepting or not. So when we know that they are accepting, then only we can request, right? So that is the first thing you need to find out, whether they are accepting the articles or not. That is the reason I told you to search with a write for us. Although we are very particular about what goes on our blog, we do read every guest post request we receive. Okay, they do read every guest post they receive. However, please do not send us any request without reading the guidelines, because we would reject requests that do not adhere to our guidelines. Okay, first of all, try to read their guidelines and try to write the content according to their guidelines. Okay, important. We receive a lot of requests and our approval process is tedious. Please be patient with us because we take 5 to 10 business days to respond. If you do not get any response until 15 business days, you can use your article elsewhere. Please do not send follow-up mails, they won't help. So are you understanding here? So
Okay.
what they are
Yes,
trying to
ma'am.
say that, so they take a minimum 5 to 10 business days to just give a reply back to you. Okay, so if you don't get any reply back from them after 10 business days also, just don't hope from them and you can use that article elsewhere. Okay,
Yeah.
if you are looking for prompt publishing, Result First has a sponsored guest post option. Unlike the regular guest post, a sponsored story gets published within 1 to 2 business days. However, it must still meet our guest post guidelines and it would need approval from our editors. So they do provide a guest post option, sponsored also. So we can pay money to them and they will be accepting our article within 1 to 2 business days again. So if it is a free, how many days it is taking to
5 to 10 days.
5 to 10 days. Now here they will be publishing within 1 to 2 days
2
only.
days. Yeah.
Okay, why? Because they are earning money. So in this way, this is also one way of marketing. This is also one way
Okay.
of earning money. Okay.
Ma'am,
So okay.
so after like sponsored guest post, so we
Mhm.
pay, right? So
Mm.
then after, if the content is not good, so they'll reject
See
and like
again,
they'll
see here. However, it must still meet our guest post
guest post.
guidelines.
Yeah.
So though you pay money also, it must meet their guidelines. Okay. So if
Okay.
you accept their guidelines and write the content according to that only, they will be accepting. Otherwise, no.
Okay. So after paying also they'll refund us.
No, I
of
guess.
before paying only they will review your content.
Okay,
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 so
okay,
how is the
okay,
content, how is the structure, and also they will review, and you are done with all the conditions, then automatically you have to pay and they
okay,
will publish in
okay.
their website.
So I think they'll also help us to meet their
Definitely.
guidelines. Mm.
Sure.
Because
See
we are
here,
paying, right?
paying,
There.
right?
Yeah.
Topics we cover. We cover everything digital marketing, including but not limited to SEO, content marketing, social media, PPC, website analytics, conversion optimization, online small business. Tell me now, is it relevant to my website or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it is completely relevant. Why? Because
Mm.
I can completely write a blogs on these topics. It is best very relevant to my website.
Mm.
Okay, the next here, what do we publish? Digital marketing education. If you are an expert in digital marketing with something to educate our audience, you can send your tips, how to article, case studies, trends, and listicle. So you can send your content in these manners like how to article, case studies if you have any. Opinions to experts. If you are an expert in the industry with relevant experience and good digital presence, you can send your opinions about anything related to digital marketing industry also. So you can send them updates, you can send them some opinions, so everything you can send regarding digital marketing. Infographics. So if you have a well crafted infographic, you can send it along with an introduction. So if you have an infographic image also, you can just directly send them. The next thing is a guest post guidelines. So here the guidelines are, be careful about these guidelines. According to these guidelines, the guidelines might not be same for each and every website. So that's the reason you have to go through each and every guidelines. Okay. Before you write or submit a story to Result First, we want you to know our guidelines. We request you to read these guidelines carefully and adhere to them. Basics first. Your article should not have a grammatical or language errors. Okay. So here this was the first condition. So your article should not have any grammatical or language errors. The next, your story should be informative, interactive, and interesting. Every post on our blog aims to give you valuable information to our users, helping them hone their digital marketing skills or keeping them updated. So your article has to be like informative, interactive also. So make sure that it is very interactive. Don't send us chunk of text lying on Word document. Your article should be well structured with the subheadings, bullets, and codes and images. See, they are particular about their structure also, the blog structure even. So you should maintain the structure of article with the subheadings, bullets, and images as well. Don't be a business speaking to humans. We are human giving some information to fellow humans. So sound like one in your story, talk in first person, and speak to the readers directly. See here, now I try to write a content for a Shanti, let us assume. Every time, whenever I write a blog for 2 to 3 sentences, I will write something like, if you want to join digital marketing,
Mm.
join is equals. So how it will be like for readers?
Like
So
we're
will it be
talking
like a
directly.
promotional thing, right? So I'm
Yeah,
just
like a
promoting,
business.
that's
Yeah.
it. Business speaker. So here they are directly saying that try to give us some information. So don't be like a business speaker speaking about all about your business. So you have to give some information. Okay. Your article should be 800 to 1200 words again. Okay. Then don't use irrelevant images. So you have to use relevant images only. Please give a source of statistics images, so you can give us some graphs kind of things if you have any. The story should be unique and not published elsewhere. So here, this was the main thing you need to remember. Now Bhavani is there. Bhavani was trying to get a backlink. Is she going to request only Shanti now to get a backlinks? Is she going to
Shanti,
request
no,
only Shanti? No, right?
no,
She might
yeah,
be requesting many bloggers like
many
Shanti.
bloggers, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Here it's Rakesh, Rafi, and then Ashir. Let's say that Sumit. So now Bhavani will be requesting each and every person here. She will be requesting this person.
But they all have to be relevance, right? So maybe
So
we,
those people are relevant to Bhavani only. Bhavani tried requesting the people. So
okay.
now what Bhavani will do? First, Bhavani will be requesting all five of them, and Bhavani is ready with a one topic called best ways to do on-page optimization. So Now everyone has accepted her request. Everyone are ready to publish Bhavani content. Now can Bhavani send that same content to all five of them?
Um, Actually, I think Bhavani can send because our website won't cross check with to whom they all send, right? So
Don't know,
with
right?
that,
So now Rafi don't know whether this Bhavani has
yeah,
shared the content to other websites or not. Mhm. Now, if Bhavani shares the same content to all five of people, then is there any problem here?
I think no, there won't be any problem, but as to
Mhm.
the site conditions, maybe like whoever is
Mhm.
approving, like it might be difference, right? So like as we read there, like don't copy the
All of
content.
them publish the same content, ma'am, it will be problem.
It will be problem, right? Definitely. Why? Because Google raises the duplicate content issue. Now, if Google bins to Shanti website, Rakesh website, Sumit website, Google can find out that everyone are using the same content then. For whom it is a problem again?
Bhavani.
For the bloggers here. Okay,
Okay.
so now then bloggers don't know, right? Whether Bhavani has been published her content elsewhere or not, they don't know. Then how they
Hmm.
can accept it? How they can accept it? See,
We'll
earlier I
cross
told
check
you, right?
some
So earlier I
plagiarism
told
tool.
you tools. By using some plagiarism tools, we can check out whether it is a copy duplicate content or not. So they will review the content. That is what I'm telling you, right? So after you send them that content, they will review completely. So how was the content? How many words? Whether you are writing the content according to their guidelines or not. So whether it is a duplicate. So after checking everything, only they will publish. Okay, they are not that blind. Okay, they will check
Okay.
everything, and finally if you meet their guidance, then finally they will publish it. So
So
here,
we have a tools, ma'am, for all this to
mm,
check.
yes, we have a tools.
Okay.
So you need to be very careful with this point. Okay, so send them the unique content, include your bio. So you can include your bio also. Do not promote any
Yeah,
services or
sure.
product in your story. We have a right to delete promotional links in your article. So they have all rights, right? Why? Because they are the website owner, so they can remove any kind of links they want. Okay. You can link relevant information articles, so your service page be linked in your bio. So you can link to any other page which is informative, which is providing some information. Okay, send your topic ideas before you submit your story. This is also one of the main thing you need to remember. So now let's say I will be requesting the 100 people today. So am I going to publish direct content? Am I going to send them directly the content? No.
No
First of
No.
all, we have to request them with some topic. Hey,
topic. Yeah.
hey, this is what the topic I want to write about. So if you like this topic, please just do let me know. I will be going through the topic and I'll write content and share. So first of all, you have to send them topic. Okay. So here also they are saying that you need to submit the topic before you submit the story. If you don't follow the above guidelines, you most likely will not hear from us. Frankly, they are saying. Do remember,
It's very
okay?
straightforward.
Straightforward. What happens if your story is selected for publication? If we select your story, it is sent for review to our editors. If it requires any changes, we send it back with our comments. Okay.
Yeah,
So if your story
it's
gets
cool.
selected, it will be sent to the editors to review. And if they want any changes in your article, they will be sending it back with some comments. You just need to change it. We have a right to edit the article or its title. Fine. So the author has to right to republish the story elsewhere, citing result first as an original publisher of the story. So they can publish the article elsewhere as they want. We can republish the story or share it on social channels, giving due credits to the author. So they can even share the articles in social media channels as well. We do not pay for guest articles. So these guys don't pay any money for accepting the guest articles. Okay. Got more questions? Don't hesitate to drop us mail. So finally, you're done with the reading complete guidelines. Then how we gonna reach out this guy? How? So this is what here. So for every guest posting site, they will be mentioning the email address or they might be having some contact form like this. Okay. So
Hmm.
you can just message them with your Gmail ID or else you can directly send them with this contact form. So enter your name, email address, and choose an article. So here it is directly choose an article, it is showing you. So, but the first time we don't need to send the article, right? So just send them message that I am ready to write a topic on this. Let me show you one example. We used to do guest posting. So let me show you how we used to send some requests to the guest bloggers. So here, this is how we used to send the requests. Hello editor, hope you're doing well. I would like to introduce myself as a professional digital marketing writer and blogger. My name is Chitra. I'm passionate about being updated on digital marketing ideas. I went through your site and found article which is very informative and full of thought-provoking articles on digital marketing. The same has motivated me to contribute a post for it. I'm requesting you to provide me with an opportunity to do so. I was wondering if I could get an opportunity to post one of my written piece on your site recording. So here what I'm trying to say, I am ready to write about on this topic, SEO versus PPC. Okay. So
Hmm.
am I directly sending them article here?
No.
No, I'm just sending them the topic. This is
Topic.
what the
Yeah.
topic I would like to write about. That's it. So I believe I can add a value to your site by my writings. If you're interested in this idea, please get back to me and I'll come up with a article idea. Okay. So if you
Okay.
like this topic, so I will be writing the topic on this, writing an article about this topic. So let me know what you think. I'm excited to hear back from you. Okay. So this is what we got a reply back from him. Hi Chitra, nice to meet you. My name is Helvis and I will do my best to make this guest blogging a big success. We are following our content strategy, thus we can provide you with our own topic. Currently, we accept a guest post on following topic. So what he's trying to say,
They have
Like,
their own topics.
they have
yeah.
their own topics. As of now, they are not accepting the articles on these topics and they have
Yeah.
their own topic.
Actually, I had this doubt. So, like,
See, they have mentioned the topic also. Google Analytics direct traffic, what it is. What is direct traffic? How direct traffic occurs? HTTPS and HTTP. Advantages and disadvantages of direct traffic and reducing a direct traffic. So this is what. Have a look at our blog and let me know whether you would be comfortable covering this. Before starting, make sure to read our Write for Us guidelines. If you go ahead and create the article, can you manage it happen within 7 days? Simple, right?
hmm.
So directly you will be, so just research. Now this is Google Analytics direct traffic is related to digital marketing only. So what I'll do, I will just go and research about this topic and I'll write a content. And first of all, I try to read the Write for Us guidelines. According to that, I'll write a content. So according to the bullets and structures, and I'll maintain some word limit as well, and I'll add some images. So finally, I'll write a content and I'll publish it. I'll send them. Okay, I'll send, and it should happen in 7 days.
7 days.
So this is how we used to send a request for guest bloggers. Okay, so now you know that how to request the, how to find out the guest blogging
Just post.
websites,
Yeah.
and you know how, what are the requirements they want, and you know how to request them as well. Got it? So now
Yes, ma'am.
find out the guest blogging website according to your niche. So what exactly your website is all about, and find out and try to request them. This is what the guest posting. So now, is it a genuine backlink or not?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good genuine backlink, right? So
Yeah.
if you do directories or blog commenting, could you guarantee that are you going to get a backlinks? I mean, so
No.
are you going to get a perfect backlinks again?
No, not
Mm,
No, right? We can't
not it
predict.
doesn't.
Right.
Because
So
here we have the transaction, right? Like,
right, we have
we have very good
interaction.
communication there. So,
Definitely.
like,
So this is
yeah.
what the genuine way of getting a quality. So the first point for off-page optimization will go for guest posting only, the highest point. So why? Because it is a very genuine, though it takes some time. Now writing an article and publishing, yes, of course it takes a 10 to 20 days time, but though you are getting a very good backlinks, right?
Yeah, like,
So try to perform this. This is
do
also one of the
follow.
best thing. Okay.
Like, do follow, ma'am. Like, proper trusted
Trusted.
backlink.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So definitely they will give you do follow only. So there is no follow. So you have to
Mm,
ask them for do follow only.
yeah.
Okay. Right. So in such a way, you have to do this guest posting. Now, what is this
Ma'am,
classified ads?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. So like in the mail, like he mentioned like topics,
Hmm.
right, for
Hmm.
Google. So he's asking the topic because he want that
You
he
want that topic in his
in
website,
his
yes.
website. Okay,
Mhm.
okay.
So
That's
he
it, right?
might be
So
already having, yes, there might be
mm,
two reasons for not accepting this topic. Why? Because he might be having the blog on this topic. So
okay,
and the next thing is he might be wanting this article to be published in his website.
okay.
So that
So
for that
yeah,
reason he is asking me to write this article for his website.
okay.
Oh,
So now even in case of with Bhavani and Shanti, it'll also be the same, right? So
hmm.
if
Yes.
Shanti
So if
wants
Shanti wants her own topics to be
topic,
published, she can
mm,
request the Bhavani to write on this topic. So if
okay,
Bhavani is comfortable writing on those topics, she can go ahead and she can write it.
okay, cool.
Okay, right.
Yes.
Chalo. So the next thing is that classified ads. So guys, tell me while performing some web directories, have you ever noticed a classified websites?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, right. So what are these classified websites? Now, classified ads means simply you might have noticed, experienced with OLX. What is this OLX?
Buying and selling platform.
Picker. Mm-hmm. Those are
Quicker
classified
also
ads
like yeah.
platforms only. We can post
Yeah.
our ads, okay? We can post our ads and people can purchase. So what people will do now, instead of depending on a Google ads, they do depends on this classified ads sometimes. So if your website is something all about product based website or a service based website, you can happily depends on this classified ads.
Yeah.
Okay. So that you can happily post ads with a free of cost. Let me show you how to do these classified ad submissions. Classified submission sites. freeadstime.org,
Do follow
wallclassifieds.
links. Okay.
Yes, do follow, do follow. So these are kind of sponsored ads again, you
Sponsored
can
links.
see. So let me just webclassified.gs, a domestic scale. This is a local classified site. Select one of the metro areas. So you need to select the areas as well. So let me post an ad. Okay. Choose a category and subcategory. Okay, let me choose category. Services. So under which category my website comes?
Internet services.
Services. Subcategory again. So beauty, salon services, entertainment, event, food and cleaning, insurance, training and education.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, then continue. Select a country, choose your metro area. State. Select a state.
All.
It is not allowing me to select state. Wait.
Okay.
Hyderabad, right? Telangana.
GH. Hyderabad was there, man.
Where it is?
H.
Up,
Hyderabad.
up H.
You can type H maybe.
That's it.
No.
Very few.
Yeah.
Mm.
Country. Okay.
This GoDaddy website has been updated, means that complete user interface has been changed, I guess.
Okay.
Because on the first class when you were showing the GoDaddy.com, it was different, and now it is little bit different in
Which if
design.
it might have changed, I think, updated.
Maybe it was infected through virus.
Rafi also making jokes. See.
Ma'am, how this Grammarly extension is working? I was trying to use it, but when I'm typing in some website or something, it is not working.
It's not working. It has to work. So
Ma'am,
now
you're
automatically.
using free version only, no, ma'am?
I'm using free version only. Yes.
I have
So
to
I
check.
do have a premium version also. So if you use a premium Grammarly, it would be like it shows you many options, many
Okay, okay.
features.
I'll have to try once again.
So I'll be having a one tool session. So anyhow,
Mhm.
so on that day I'll show you what all the tools you have to use for SEO.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you'll understand how to use the tools and everything.
Ma'am, this Grammarly, if we use premium, I guess while typing documents and all in Microsoft Word and other softwares, we can use it, no, ma'am?
You can use it, yes.
Okay.
So you can directly paste it in the Grammarly, it will show you. So you
Okay.
can write a direct document over there. So now here it is asking us a price. So what price I have to mention here? So
Price for our website,
No,
like
it
to
is an
learn.
ad. It is an ad. So now
That
I
is a-
am providing a digital marketing training. So what is the price of my training?
20,000.
Okay, for it. So simply,
Yeah.
investment. Now, if it is a product you are providing, you are posting some ad on some product, let us say that some furniture. So you will be entering the price of that sofa or price of that any kinds of furniture. Right. So that is what I told you. This classified ads is best useful for service oriented and product based websites. Okay, so continue. Phone number and contact email. So
How can
sometimes
we
these
insert
guys
the
will call
image?
you, okay?
Yeah.
Sorry?
How can we insert the image? It's a picture.
Image. So it will ask you. So now it will ask you. See, I'll show you how it will. Without image, it won't look like an ad, right? No one will read the text.
Yeah, for even we submitting, they are also showing so many ads.
Yes, yes.
Very good.
So this website is different than e-commerce or
E-commerce and service based.
okay.
Why? Because blogging means now. What is there with the blogging? I mean, what would be like a price for blogging anyhow? Okay, so done. So map address. So enter your address if you have any. See, they were doing Google AdSense. My God. How many ads they are displaying. See, Rafi got image. So you can choose images here.
But our ad won't be the same with the ad looking that we can see here. I think it will be different.
These are
Yeah, the above the.
these
Yeah.
are Google ads. Google
Okay.
Google
ads.
ads, not
Thought it is something the classified ad. Okay.
No. These are Google ads only. These are advertisements by Google. Now can you see?
Okay. So that symbol shows like it's advertisement.
Is advertisement.
Okay.
It is an advertisement, and these guys are accepting the ads. Okay, so it is different from classified ads again.
So they
now whatever
money
we are
from
doing-
this Google ads, right? ma'am?
So this
Yeah.
is what the websites are doing. They are earning money.
Wow. Interesting.
So ads by Google, can you see? It is
Yes,
an ads
ma'am.
by Google. Now whatever we are putting, this is for free. Okay. So free listing, featured ad for selected categories. Can you see how much they are charging?
$5.
$dollars. $5.
Okay.
My God.
So get better if you want to put some money, just you can go ahead with the Google ads. For SEO, it is not required. So I can see that Ripu also was asking something in a WhatsApp.
Yeah, yesterday, yeah.
Let me
So we
clear
saw
that.
one website and
Yes.
it was like showing like so many features. So.
P20 something.
Yes, 4420.
What is that,
domain.
ma'am? 4420?
I'll show you. Okay, done. So your ad has been posted. The link to your posting along with other related information has been sent to your email. This mail may show up in your email spam or junk section. Feel free to continue advertising with the following choices. So now the every information will be received to your email address, the link and where it appears. Just go through your mail. So they are saying that it might you might receive in the spam also. So just check within the or spam also. Now in such a way I can post my ad in a free ads type. So in such a way from here also you will be getting some calls. This is also one way of generating some business and all. Just go ahead and do some classified ads. It is very good. The next thing is that I just want you guys to do this homework, event submission. So it is very easy. Event submission means now there might be some websites like a event managing websites, like wedding managers, photography managing kinds of those are like a event websites only. So if you have any event by next Saturday or next Sundays, so at that time you can use this event submission sites, and you can you can insert your events over there, so that people can enroll to your event also. This is very simple. Just go through that and send me a picture whether you have done with that or not.
Ma'am,
And
I didn't get it, ma'am. Like,
events. You
okay,
just
so
need
our
to
events.
your website events. For Dizzy course we don't have any events, so event also it is very necessary for the websites which are having some
Okay, so
events.
it's like basically like interaction.
Now demo is there,
Okay.
right? Now we have a
Yeah,
demo
okay.
on Sunday.
Okay.
So you can go
Cool.
ahead with the event submission sites, and you can just have an
Invite
event over
people
there.
to.
Invite people
Okay.
to participate in
Okay.
that event.
Okay. This is also like one more technique.
One more technique.
Yeah.
Image submissions. Image submissions, simply you just need to submit an image and get a backlink. So how many of you use here Pinterest?
Yeah, I use it for means I'll just use it for accessing some.
So Pinterest is also an image submission site. So all social media channels or image submission sites only. You can
Yes.
submit the image and you can put some URL over there, so that you can make people to redirect to your website. So you have to do
Okay.
image submissions also, video submissions like YouTube. So what is this video submission? I am submitting the YouTube, I am submitting the video and I am making people to redirect to my website simply. Right. So while using the YouTube also, I can write title, I can write description, I can give
Yes,
a link
ma'am.
back to my website, right?
Yeah.
So it is just, what are the mediums? So from what type of mediums you are redirecting a people to your website, right? Just do a homework on these event submissions, image submissions, video submissions. Okay, so I want you guys to research on these three things and perform. So 2 is fine anyhow.
Oh. Ma'am, you won't use Instagram, ma'am?
Instagram also you can use, Facebook also you can use.
No, I'm asking you, like, because
I will use Instagram. I have
Okay,
Instagram,
so-
Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest also I have. Because
Okay,
I'm a
so-
digital marketer. If I don't have all this platform, no one will believe that I have a digital marketer. I should have accounts. Though I'm not interested also, I should have. That's it.
so like
Because-
you also do like video submission on Instagram also, like.
Video submissions I do in a YouTube now. Anyhow, so
Yeah, we can share the link in Twitter and Facebook
Twitter,
pages. Yeah.
I do always that when I post my YouTube video, I'll try to share in Twitter,
Yeah,
LinkedIn,
Twitter.
and Facebook
Okay.
as well. And when I write some blogs in my website, I'll try to share that links in Twitters and all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. One more thing. So that Ripu was asking me something, right?